Hi everyone, my co-saver the spenders, those who love to save and love to spend. Welcome back to my channel. Well, there's a lot of this controversial TikTok saying that the bags are made in China. It didn't really bother me and I just went ahead and buy one of my wish list bag. I purchased my bag from Dubai Mall. And look what I've got. I have these 5 samples of perfume. They're really nice. It smells good. I already tried it. Now let's slowly open this box. Slowly but surely. Dun, 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 dun. This is it. There you go. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it amazing? Yeah, so before I really don't like this print, but now that I'm getting older, I don't know, I felt like this is a nice piece and I find it so cool. Although it shows LV, the monogram print is, I think, for Speedy, for me, for Speedy 25, this really looks great. Okay, and what I love about this bag is it comes with this strap, an adjustable one, so you can wear it in different ways. What else do we've got here? Oh yes, we have the padlock of the bag. I normally don't use this because it adds weight to the bag. But if you are traveling, it would be good to bring it with you to secure your belongings. Wow, it's nice. Let me put this strap to see the overall aesthetics of this bag. And yeah, so for me, I would always say that just buy what you want as long as it makes you happy. You shouldn't be stopped from buying what you want just because of this intrigues or anything that people say about the bag. What matters is it will make you smile at the end of the day. Look at this. It's really adorable. The only maybe concern I will have is how to take care of the how you say it, vachetta. For those of you who have already been using your Speedy 25B, please comment down below on what do you love about your Speedy bags. That's all guys, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you.